our BorrowBox app tutorial. In this tutorial, we will be looking at the My Loans feature. The BorrowBox app opens with your My Loans page. My Loans has two tabs at the top of the page, My Loans and My Reading Lists. The My Loans tab displays your loans, reservations, and loan history. Loans display the titles you have borrowed, the number of days until an item expires, and provides options to return or renew. Loans will be automatically returned when a loan has expired, or you can return at any time. You can renew a loan at any time, and a further 14 days will be added to the number of days until expiry. Loans can be renewed twice. Reserves display titles you have waiting to become available for you to download and enjoy. The title will show an available on date and an option to cancel your reservation. Loan history displays titles you have previously borrowed. If there is a title you would like to enjoy again, you can borrow or reserve from your loan history list. We'll go back to the top of the page now to an important feature. On the right-hand side of the page, you will find two icons, each with a number. This feature indicates the remaining number of loans you have available. The icon of a book with headphones represents e-audiobooks, while the book icon represents e-books. Customers can borrow and or reserve a total of 4 e-book titles and 4 e-audiobook titles. Looking at our example membership, the ebook icon is displaying 2 available loans. Currently, this membership has 1 e-audiobook title on loan and 1 on reserve. Therefore, 2 more e-audiobook items can be borrowed or reserved at this time. The My Reading List tab is your wish list. This is a great feature where you can add titles you might like to borrow in the future. The reading list is divided into ebooks and e-audiobooks. Titles can be borrowed or reserved from your reading lists. And that is your My Loans page on the BorrowBox app. If you have any questions, please contact your local Richmond Tweed Regional Library branch. There are many more features to this app, so have a look at our other available tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy reading.